Let's make a card. We're going to start by stamping our sentiment onto some white cardstock. Then we're going to die cut this with a coordinating die, and at the same time, we're going to die cut out a heart. And this heart is super cute. It's got some great texture around the edges to it. So I did that in real red, and then I'm going to use the same heart die in some Coastal Cabana and also some Daffodil Delight cardstocks. All right, then we're ready to do our dry embossing. This is for our background piece, and then I'm going to do another piece of white cardstock. It's got some cute polka dots. Both these embossing folders come in the same pack. I love them so much. All right, that's going to wrap up our dry embossing. We're ready to make our card. So real red cardstock folded in half, add our dry embossed piece on top, add a piece of plain white to the inside of our card, Daffodil Delight on top, and then those cute little polka dots coming back in. I'm using dimensionals behind these hearts, and then our sentiment is going to go on top. And just like that, my friends, we've made this delightful card. Make sure to like and follow I Teach Stamping.